So how do you play never-ending runs with a ton of delay? That's a specific exercise that I gave you in another video called How to Play Never-Ending Runs on a Guitar. Never-ending is with a hyphen in between. And there was a question that says, can you slow down and explain exactly what it is that you do? But it's basically, I'm just going to explain it again. So this is a very short video. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Because the exercise is simply considering the scale a staircase, right? You got a note and then you can go up and down. So let's say the scale is on one string, right? So I got, sounds like Jean-Michel Jarre here with all the, right? So that's the A minor scale on one string. So what I basically do, just to, is this a cool exercise? You know, it will revolutionize your playing up and down when it comes to runs. So what I basically do is I go 3 up, for instance. Let's go 3 up the scale. Let's start on A and go 3 up, right? Okay, let's go 1 up more. Right, so we got 4 up now. Like going up 4 steps on a staircase. Then I go 3 back. I'm just coming up with stuff now. So I go, okay, then I go 3 back, right? Then I go 4 up again. And then 4 back, right? Whatever it is. I simply just, or when you then translate that onto a scale that is on multiple strings, I go, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go up and down 4 notes. So I go, that's a staircase. Just up and down, right? It's super simple. Let's go down 6 and then up again. So I go, that's just 2 strings of 3 notes. With whatever technique you're practicing, right? And then let's go 4 up again. So let me combine and say, right? I'm just going 4 up and down. Let me go 6 down and then 6 up. I'm just combining these. So I go, right? And then I continue like that. I might go say, okay, then I might go up to the A note again from this, and then 5 notes down from the A. So I go, and then 5 notes, right? Just imagine that you have that staircase, and then you simply go random steps up and down. And in the beginning, you perhaps have to really practice, pre-practice, like saying going 4 notes down, then going 3 up, then going 4 notes down from that. All right? So 4 notes down, then 2 steps up, and then 4 notes down. And what you end up with when you can create your own exercises in the beginning, where you go 4 notes and back and forth in little loops, and then gradually what you should be able to do is go, right? You simply just go up and down. What is it? 4, 5 up, 6 down, 2 up, all the way, like a staircase, like an idiot jumping up the steps and then back and forth like that, and then going up and say, "What are you doing?" I'm just finding my way up to the top, like that. Right? Hope that makes sense. You can simply do a little exercise just to get started with this, where you take 1 note, 1 6-note shape, and then you go up 3 notes and back again, right? Doesn't matter what 6-note shape it is. In this case, it's 5, 7, and 9 on the D string. Then I go up 4 notes and back again. So I go 3 notes on that, up and hit the first note on the next string and go right back again. Then I go up 5 notes. Then I go up 6 notes and back again. Right? This is super effective. All right? So you can do the same thing from the top of the 6 notes. So I go down now let's say 3 notes and up again. That just becomes that. Go 4 notes and up again. Go 5 notes up. Right? And if you combine it with the ascending version of going like that, then suddenly you have this kind of myriad of little ideas that you can alternate between. But that's just 6 notes. Then you can expand that to taking on, 3 sets of 6 notes, right, or 6 strings, and that creates this amazing ability to do runs in every direction like that. And it's the simplest thing in the world, basically, right? I hope that makes sense. I hope this was more clear to you this time. So have fun with it, and don't forget to subscribe. Go download the free course. My name is Claus, and hope to see you in the next video.